What's good, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and of course another unboxing for you guys. I don't know what's inside of it, so let's just see what's inside of it. Also, if you're new to my channel, go down below and subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. Just sit back, relax, watch me, Bino99, open this box. So let's go. Just flip this over. Ooh, return to the past. Oh, we got a pink Nike Dunk box. Man, I haven't seen a pink Nike Dunk box since my first video that I did, that I got from like my first gifted pair that I got with the Stousy Cherry Dunk lows. So, ooh, yo, I don't even expect myself to be having this, but god damn. Yo, bro, look at this pair, man. Look at this. We got the Staple Dunk lows, and of course, if y'all don't know what Staples is, not staple, but well, it's not supposed to be staple, but it's supposed to be staple. Street head that has multiple iconical street clothing. He has his own staple clothing. I have it. I have his hat, shirt. So I'm a big fan of it, and you can also find them anywhere in retail prices as well too. Pretty cheap, I guess, roughly around $30 to $40 depending on your day. But yeah, this shoe, man, this shoe is speaking to me. Like, look at the insole. First off, look at the insole. Like, look at this. Look at this insole, y'all. Look at it with the bamboo tree and the pigeon. Psh, man, that's crazy. Kind of reminds me of the purple pigeons or the regular pigeons, simply smooth suede. And this one has it's literally dumb soft. Like, the tumble leather is great. The suede around this shoe is amazing. Even look at the pigeon as well. Look at that pigeon, bro. This pigeon looks productively A1. Like, it looks crazy as hell. Even don't forget about the tongue as well. The tongue looks amazing. The back of the shoe looks great as well. Typical white, gray, and black. Very beautiful. Not to mention the bottom sole. Look at the bottom sole. Look at the bottom sole, y'all. Look at this. Look at the bottom sole. Matter of fact, let me pull up the other pair as well too. Like, look at the bottom sole, man. Look at them. Look at these two shoes. Like, these two shoes are crazy as hell. Look at the pigeon on this side and look at the pigeon on that side. Look at them. Just look at these two soles. Look at the pigeons. Like, look at the top and also look at the back as well. They just look absolutely amazing. Like, yo, this shoe's absolutely dope, man. I thank the plug for sending me this shoe for sure. Like, thank y'all. I thank y'all for sending me so much. Even on this sole too. Look at the sole. Look at the sole right here. Staple. Nothing on this side but staple. Man, that is absolutely dumb crazy right there. Dumb crazy. And it also says a lot of things on this shoe too, like shoe spa, all that. Like, that, I don't even know what to say really. Sneaker in the middle right there, but yeah. But how y'all feel about these? Would y'all rock them? Because I definitely rock them. Like, yo, this shoe is literally speaking to me. Like, this is like literally a Friday night shoe. I cannot lie. It's like a Friday night shoe for sure. A Friday night shoe for sure, man. I thank the plug for sending me this shoe. Like, yo, this shoe is wonders. It's beautiful. And it smells nice too. It smells really nice, of course. It smells really nice. So I thank them for sending me this pair. And I can't wait for the next one from them. So I can't wait. Can't wait for sure. But now, why don't we get to this OnFoot review and go from there? Let's go.